Good morning, good morning. How are we all doing today? I just thought I'd start a minute or so early. And today I've got a few things going on, and I'll show you some of what I've been up to. But today, I think you're really gonna see how the sausage is made because I have no idea for a longer form tutorial. In other words, something about 10 minutes or longer where I create assets for it and things like that. So what I need to do, and I'm just going to check my audio. Yep, we are there. Yep, good stuff. So you can hear me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a wee bit of research, maybe use ChatGPT and come up with something for a tutorial. Now, what I might possibly do, which we'll hop into, let's get YouTube up. Now, I might possibly mute some of this stuff and just run closed captions. And there's my live running. Good stuff. Right. So I'm going to go to YouTube Studio. You're getting it right behind the scenes today. And see, we reached 3,160 subscribers. And just having a quick look at the comments. I've got a few of these to answer, which I'll do later on. Content. Now, what I'm looking to possibly do is go to the oldest tutorials and maybe look to do an update. Or we just do something completely fresh. I know there's been a few changes to LumaFusion, a few bits and pieces added, but that'll be a kind of shorter video tutorial. What I'm looking for here is something that was done quite a long while ago that I can maybe bring up to date. So I'm just going to go through it just now. So let's have a look. Now we could possibly update the teal and orange. That was quite a popular tutorial. Just like 1,000 views. Stress testing and SSD. Nothing, that didn't really go anywhere at all. Probably needing to maybe update the thumbnail on that. And you can tell these are old because these are the old style thumbnails that I used to do. I use OBS a lot now because you're listening to me on OBS or watching me on OBS right now. But I don't think that's going to be the right thing. Mist filter, hacking multiple preset types together, free music, sponsorship deal. Right, go a wee bit further back. Goodness, we're right the way back because that's 2021 when the pandemic was still in full flow and we had to wear masks. Possibly might do pop color. Yeah. Geez, oh, it was my cut for cut Casey Neistat all the way back then. That's a long time ago. Now, motion tracking, apart from using the plugin in LumaFusion, is still a kind of something that's going to come down the pipeline at some point. So we could update that because we do have more advanced keyframing that makes things smoother. So yeah, this is what it's like, folks. You've just got to grind it out and look at the options. I mean, if anyone that's watching has an idea for a tutorial, by all means, chip in. I am all ears. Graduated filter thing, I used to use a lot in Photoshop, and I feel that that's still got legs in terms of doing it in LumaFusion, but nah. Blend modes, and that's the first video that I've got there. I don't know why that one exploded years ago, but 2019, 41,000 views. It's an old video now, long since buried. No, I'm not hitting any inspiration here. Okay, let's get into this inspiration tab. I've never been in here before. What the heck? The LumaFusion, my 2026 workflow. I don't use Sora, so that's not happening. Oh, good God. Now, you know me, I like my AI video as much as the next person, but I'm not keen on some of these. Spatial graphics. I don't think we're ready for that yet. Okay, show more. Let's see what we've got. So these must be getting generated on the fly. Create a narrative short film entirely on the iPad using advanced AI integration. Not today. LumaFusion versus Premiere. mobile, kind of done that. 10 hidden LumaFusion gestures. Okay, I'm kind of curious about that one. So let's save that. Is it actually going to be really good or really awful? Why I'm replacing LumaFusion transitions with custom AI neural style transfers? What? Okay, let's click on this one. This concept pushes your audience beyond basic LumaFusion tools by integrating Gen 1. Oh my goodness. Gen 1 of what? That idea. This just does not make sense. Okay, I can see my folk crack up at this. That, oh, yeah, up there. Keyframes into Runway's Gen 1. I'm afraid we're on Gen 4.5 now. So this is a bit out of date. Plus, I've kind of navigated away. I still use Runway every day. I mean, I love Runway as a company and as a product. But I have been using Flow and Veo 3 and Nano Banana 2 more so. In fact, the Kangaroo Warrior thing that you maybe saw a short on the other day, this was me just goofing about to see what I could and couldn't do. And quite interesting. But my point is, the amount of credits I have available on here is way more cost effective than doing it through Runway. I think I've said that last week as well. So I'll come back to that in a second. Right. Oh my god, it gives you titles. Show more. Let's click on that one. Do I need to refine it? Save. I've never done this before, so this is interesting. Go back. Okay, is this a script? The problem and the solution hook. Stop settling for generic cross dissolves. At Screen Mobile Edit. I'm officially ditching standard LumaFusion transitions to bridge the gap between iPad projects and high-end AI filmmaking. Ooh boy. Okay, so you can obviously improve these things. Curiosity, expert results. Jeez, oh, we have an outline. As much as Danny from Financial V has been creating some really nice third-party transitions, and I actually have the tools here, but I've just never got around to using them for creating transitions. Just looking at this, the transitions I think in LumaFusion have got better over time, so I'm not so keen on this. Right, okay, I'm coming out of this. This is just slowing things down. Right, so there's nothing I really want to jumping out at me that needs a mega update that I think, oh yeah, you really should be learning about that again or bringing forward. So we'll not be going back the way. Let's go back to the beginning. Right. Okay, so I'm just going to go back into YouTube itself. I'll go to my channel if it lets me. Yep, thank you. And then just typing at the top, LumaFusion tutorial. And we'll just see what's kicking about. I sometimes look at other creators' content. Nice to see I'm popping up. Yeah, I sometimes look at other LumaFusion creator content just to see. I mean, there's one from 2022, just to see what potentially is out there. There's Justin from Primal Video. They always do a good little sort of yearly update on LumaFusion. Caroline from LumaTuck. And we've got, there's Financial V, there's Danny's channel. Yeah, Person Key. We've kind of covered this before. And sometimes I do like whole like tutorials effectively within other tutorials. So masking made easy from the guys at Editor's Keys. I used to use Editor's Keys. It's like a rubber mat thing that lays over your keyboard, but they just got ripped way too easily. So this is obviously them building content, or yeah, masking. Might come back to that. LumaFusion for beginners. Who's Denka? Darilla, I've never even seen her before. So achieve cinematic color grading in LumaFusion. You know, I do a lot of color grading. I'm giving that a rest remote. for the most part at the moment. Nice to see that my stuff's actually coming up in the list. 6 LumaFusion tips. Chris is good. He's got a good channel going on, although his stuff's a bit older now. I don't think he's done that much lately. That was quite a good video. Caroline's speed ramping. Make your own dope intro. How to. That looks familiar. Now that was 6 years ago, but somebody's come up with the same idea as me, and I didn't know about that. Okay. Great minds think alike. Edit professionally using and only an iPad. LumaFusion. Joshua Timothy's, he's a great guy. His channel's doing really well. Okay. Masking made simple. I can't think of anything. Not. See the likes of that. I mean, that's a good example. You've got, who's this? Landon Romano. Never seen him before. And, like, he's opening a drawer and revealing a video. I don't know. It's just, I don't know how I feel about that. Rob HK. Yeah, less said about him, the better. Agree with how he works sometimes, although he does do good content. But as a person, right, okay. Or Justin Brown's. I edited the same video in every free software. Okay. 10 transitions. Film look. Perfect color. Interesting. The most powerful feature in LumaFusion. This was a month ago. Create with LumaTouch. That is true. The insert and overwrite option is really. I was using it yesterday actually. It's very powerful. Simon. I didn't even know he'd done a LumaFusion tutorial. That looks like a complete beginner's breakdown. LumaFusion effects, creations. It kind of looks like we're all chasing the same set of tutorials, which is kind of interesting and not interesting at the same time. I'm still not sure about Paintex. I kind of used it when it first came out, and I just haven't gone back to it. And I found it to be a little bit unstable sometimes, but when it works, it's okay. But I just haven't found any use cases for it. That's interesting, actually. There's an old shot of Rob and something that's a bit more up to date, so you can see the evolution of his channel. Even at that, that's like 2 years apart, but it's still 4 years ago. Switch to eye, spin, zoom, transition. We get them built in now, so that kind of kills that. Poly transition. What I used to edit in LumaFusion 5 years ago. It really looks like a lot of tutorials are not being kept up to date. LumaFusion object scanning effect tutorial. See, that's something I would lean towards AI for now with a CGI effect. But I kind of want to give AI video a tiny little rest this week and not leverage it just for this. Black bars. That's 5 years ago. I remember when that video tutorial came out. Sky replacement could be interesting, actually. This is something we might look at. So yeah, I don't go into the video itself. I don't want to see how any creator, Rob or anybody else, is actually doing it. I just like the concept, sky replacement. That's kind of floating my boat. I mean, there's text masking, which I just covered a few months ago. Yeah, sky replacement. That could be interesting. Right, okay. Right, that's the thought of process. So, okay, we've got an idea. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. I've already got Morning Jen. That's what I call ChatGPT if you don't already know. And I'll just take this out. I would like to create a new video tutorial for LumaFusion that leverages sky replacement. So if I could spell what tools within LumaFusion. So 5.4. Yeah, 5. Not sure what version of Luma is. 5.3 or 5.4. Have a quick look. Just had a brain fart, can't remember. So it just popped into the preferences. and 5.4.3. Now this is the live version of LumaFusion. On my iPad I have the beta version of the next one, which I may possibly use, but not just now. Within LumaFusion 5.4.3 can we possibly use? I already know the answer to this, but I want to see what ChatGPT effectively comes up with. But I know we're going to be using the keying features and possibly blending modes with the likes of Alpha and Luma. Can all be, and we've got to track it. That's not going to be as part of the world shall we travel to today. We could stick to Scotland because a lot of the time you get drab skies there. The only problem is when you mix in dramatic skies with sort of neutral lighting that has no real directionality to it, it can look really fake. This is another tail. I will go plus. I will go to season 6 is for 2026, and I'll have a look at what the last video tutorial was. And in this instance, it was the digital clock animation that ChatGPT did for me. So that's 12.06 here, and we'll do 12 _06 underscore sky replete. And then once I've got something else to do with the MacBook, your technical thing, can you go to close it and it'll back up? But actually the fact that the book and the stuff for us can be information just like I'm being sorry, keep it together. And then I would need a lead show, just use the 910 bit for it and inform whether on the iPad or the laptop. Now with this, you don't know your and it will look a bit updated. Have that. See, I said that. I like all that. And then if I have a little sin, GPT as well. This is, you know, in there, there's something I like it. Just not stick with Apple, so really just answer a bottle and send a you short ask. See what kind of reaction we get to doing a live later in the day. That way we can have a little bit more interactivity. Let's now need a copy. I don't know why it took so long. So I'm going to highlight the text, Command V, and that's me now got my next number 7. In fact, that's not right. Land check. Not world. That's kind of interesting because the one in the kills is a Glencoe vibe about it. FGI. Ooh, that's interesting. I think noticed is that the live stream seems to be hanging. That's interesting. Now I'm just going to keep recording, and push comes to shove. If it hangs permanently, I can always upload the recorded version. Seems to be dragging audio sound effects, which are